Built for extreme speed, the HMC400 is fully loaded with features for incredibly fast cycle times. All in one setup, the HMC400 can perform a variety of operations at unprecedented speeds. Achieving 20% faster acceleration than our phenomenally fast HM500S machine, the HMC400 is constructed with a lightweight column, featuring a rigid stepped X axis rail design. Included as standard, the HMC400's built-in rotary table also performs with extreme speed. Rotary table rigidity is ensured with the inclusion of a large-sized bearing in the B-axis and the use of a multi-clamp pallet system. An exceptionally fast automatic tool changer further elevates the speed of the HMC400. A wide variety of tool sizes are supported by the ATC. Another speed-enhancing feature of the HMC400 is its automatic pallet changer. The APC performs at high rates of speed to further reduce cycle times. The HMC400 accepts extremely long tools of up to 450 millimeters and saves time by allowing for deep boring operations without rotating the pallet. Finally, the HMC400 boasts a powerful, high-torque, and highly rigid 15K Big Plus spindle. Reaching cutting speeds of 15,000 RPM with 50 horsepower, faster machining of a variety of materials is a given. In fact, this machine is 25% faster at rigid tapping than our HM500S with the same cutting condition. What's more, HMC400 spindle response is extremely fast, reaching 15,000 RPM in just 1.7 seconds. The design of the spindle improves tool accessibility. The distance from the spindle nose to the pallet center is 50 millimeters, the shortest distance in its class. The HMC400 includes many maintenance-friendly features. The 1000 psi coolant-through spindle unit has a 5-micron bag filter which can be easily replaced without interrupting the cycle. More than 3 times longer life can be expected when compared with line filter systems. All maintenance devices are centrally located for convenient daily inspection. Along with time and cost savings, the HMC400 is designed to save space. The HMC400 includes a low-profile chip conveyor and requires less space behind the machine. While the HMC400 horizontal machining center is engineered from the ground up for speed, it comes at an affordable price.